Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, June 4th at 4:22 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today. We've got Broadcom, AVGO, that had earnings, and clearly the market didn't like it. And ARM is on a bit of a pullback as well. Let's go ahead and look at AVGO. These are the largest trades in the last week, and we always know that the institutions, they're the ones with the billions of dollars. Clearly, they know what's going to happen. And here we go. Look at some of these trades. 1.7 million at $439, right? And then there's another one, 1.2 million at $481. So we had a nice move up, consolidation. This is a good swing entry if you listen to any of my videos. Increasing volume, no wick on top. There is a print on that day. And then we moved up, open tested the print, moved up, then we gapped up. So this is the 2 days before earnings. This day after the close is when the earnings were. But look at this, all at the top around the 479 level. 1.2 million, 135K, all of this here. And then earnings happened and boom, we're already down below these prints. So let's go ahead and map this out for retracement to the upside and to the downside. So we're going to be bullish above 430. Let's get above this candle here. Target 435, 437.57 is S3, 439.66, 446.77, 450.64, 456.56, 459.93. Right here is this S2, 100K. And my 200 exponential moving average, that gets us back up to here, where this was resistance as well with the print. So on the downside, we're going to be bearish below 415. Let's get below here. Target 412.50, 410, 405, 400, 395, 392.83. You can see here it's a massive pocket here. The ATR in this one here is 1866. And then if that doesn't hold, you've got free fall down. You'd have to look at the higher time frame to see where there would be targets on that one. Okay, let's go ahead and look at ARM. Okay, so ARM, similar sort of situation here. This is moving up. Not massive prints, but you can see it's a similar sort of story here. This one gapping up. Then we've got a whole bunch of prints here. You see the wicks on top, right? Doesn't seem to be holding out. You've got this square. Either you've got to be above that or below it in order to take a trade. So here, this 353 area is probably a target. Fill this gap. There's the 8 exponential moving average. We really have to get above this 427 to go long, above this area. Anyway, it's pulling back now. So let's go ahead and see. We're going to be bullish above 404 here. It looks like there's some space, but we've got a lot of stuff in the way. We've got these prints of 50 simple moving average. Then we've got a cam. We've got another print and a pivot and my 200 simple, 200 exponential. So this one's a little bit wide. The ATR on this one is $28.41. If this is going to have a recovery with a decent trade setup, we need to get this needs to be support. So it looks like it's a long way away. It's a safer trade. 404, target 405, 407.83. 408.84 is that print we mentioned. 412.50, 415.83, 417.50, and 419.83 is this CR2 here. That's pretty wide on the retracement there. If you get above this, then there would be more room to the upside on that. Okay, on the downside, we're going to be bearish below 390. We're just testing that now. We're at 389.75. So let's see if this bounces here, comes back, and then tries again and breaks down, then you can continue there. So 390, 387.84 is a target. Then we've got 384.65 is S1, and then from here we've got a really big gap. So we've broken that down. 380, 375, 370, 360, 379. Then we've got 360, 357.46 is S2. This here is the better pocket to trade if you can, because it's just kind of a free fall there. Okay, there you have it. Those are your two trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, do all of that great stuff. And subscribe to our weekly dark pool report, which is mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report, first name, email, and you get the weekly Dark Pool newsletter, which is for swing trading. We do 13 stocks, SPY, QIWM, plus 10 others. And there's some market commentary in there, and there's screenshots of each of the trades that you can take with the bullish above, bearish below labeled, and you get a nice table with everything you need for trade setups for the week. All right, happy trading, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.